gasibire garya amashemererwa gonka mu district ya Rubirizi obwo abarokore b'ekanisa ya Grace Evangelist Church omuri magambo babire nibasima mukama okubamarisa omwaka ogw'2024. Aba beteranire ahashitebe kikuru cha district okusima ebibashikireho mu mwaka ogw'2024 no kwakira omwaka ogw'2025.
Teresa yo district ya Mukama abakozi bayo ayirohanga
nagaruke nyuma honi akuba ibintu byensi tibirungi ibintu byensi abanabikifuza bamunonga
abikirizaho na hinentanda eyibakomirwe okubakwasa omwaka ogw'2025.
omwaka guba gwembabazi ayanga ryona abantu bawe
ebiro bikuru twabiheza atwaza kandi ko mukora abana bazagaruka amashomero barebe ko akasente batakarya bakakahezaho
2024 zibere zitangushire school fees byegumire endwara zibezugumire.
Omugandi abikiriza nibashabwa kwebwe bishikirizi ebibabireho omwaka gw'2024 kandi bagira amasiko agarabahindurire abasinguzi omwaka ogw'2025. Ebi bigambirwa mu kujaguza omwaka musya ahari Kiswahili Full Gospel Church omuri Mbarara.
For you tonight. Please shift them a little bit and tell them that is the word of God for you tonight, so please listen attentively.
Aba nabwo bashabirwe okwegamira obubangizi bwa Ruhanga omuri byona ebibaro kukora.
I continue thanking God. And I thank Him every day. I said I thank you for many.
And the Israelites, when they were going through the Red Sea, the enemy,
Gashakwa Onesimus India nabo na Sandeke William.